All right, Floyd, let's get into it. I want to start from the beginning, where I always do. Talk to us about your journey into this industry. I guess what you were doing for work, what you currently are doing for work, and what made you to start thinking about cybersecurity.
Yeah, so ever since I've always had this passion for technology. So anything related digitally or anything tech related, I'm always fascinated by it. I can remember when I was a kid, I'm always fascinated about computers, how things work, how computers work. It always started from there. And as of my current role right now, I'm currently doing sales and consulting. So it is a good role. I enjoy talking with people, engaging with people, communication-wise, but my passion has always been technology. So what led me to this one was, how can I get into this space where I am now compared to, let's say, you come from a uni or let's say a fresh graduate. How do I get there?
Yep.
So that's why I probably bumped into you guys.
Brilliant.
Here.
Brilliant. All right, so you're always interested in IT, always interested in tech. Was there anything specific about cybersecurity? Was there a moment where you're like, all right, this has really piqued my interest. I'm going to actually dive deep into this?
Yeah, certainly. Like right now, the internet is everywhere. It's relevant now. It's like omnipresent. It's everywhere around us. But that also means, more vulnerabilities, more exposures to hacking, that sort of thing. I was even hacked myself on my PayPal account last year. Some guy from New York managed to hack my account. I don't know how that happened. Mm-hmm. So, which made me pop my head, my passion for technology and trying to find how things work. How do hackers get into our systems or to our accounts or to our personal details? How does that work? Which led me, I want to take a crack at it because I've always been fascinated with computer technology anyways. And so, which led me here. So it even makes more sense now, considering the fact that we can't live without internet. Let's be real, without internet, what are we going to do? What's going to happen? We got watches with the internet. We got Fitbits, fitness gadgets with the internet. They use the internet. Cars using internet.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
But a lot of people look at these things and they're great. Like, technology is amazing, but it does make us a lot more vulnerable, right? And so it's interesting for you, right? You're obviously aware of the industry, but for you, it sounds personal, right? You're attacking yourself.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yes.
Okay, that's a good motivation.